Today I'm gonna show you how you can swap Bitcoin to ETH and ETH to Bitcoin completely anonymous and without any KYC in 3 simple steps.
Step 1.
So the first thing you're gonna need to do is to actually install the Control Wallet. If you haven't yet, it's by far the most popular Bitcoin DeFi wallet. It's a very good wallet in general. And if you don't have it installed already, I will link a very easy tutorial in the video description to do that.
Step 2.
So the second thing you're gonna need to do is you need to visit ThorSwap and connect your wallet to the website. I will put a link to the website in the video description. If you use that link, you will actually get a discount on your trading fee, but trading fees are not high anyway, so this doesn't make a big difference. But if you want to support me, go and use the link in the description.
Step 3.
As soon as you're connected on ThorSwap, you can just select Ethereum or Bitcoin and then you can just swap it. And that's how simple it is. It's really cheap, it's fast, you don't need any KYC. And if you're wondering now how you can actually buy Bitcoin without KYC, I have a video for that as well. Thank you guys for watching.